Hi everyone, welcome to Cycle. You can put your stuff down next to your bike. Hi Hugo, I'm going to help you set up your bike so that we can prevent any injury. Slow down those feet. Great job, everyone. Okay, now we're going to push down on that resistance. We're going to get our feet out of the pedals. We're going to go ahead and do some stretching. So you can put one foot on the seat or off the seat, whichever is comfortable for you. Alright, thank you guys so much for coming. You can get some wipes from over there and wipe down those bikes. And you guys can exit out that way through the side silver doors.